Here we are with Gina Collins, and her family lost their home in the Marshall Fire. I was wondering, Gina, what happened that day? What was it like?
Oh, geez. It was a beautiful December day, kind of like this. It was the week between Christmas and New Year's, and we had decided to do a staycation because we love where we live, and we had the best week. And that morning, my husband had gone out for a walk with his mom, who lives down the road, and I was taking the kids to the rec center, and we were going to go swim and have fun at the rec center. We came out and saw smoke and said, you know what, let's just wait and see what's up. A little while later, I was up in my bedroom with the kids, and we were looking out, and there's a ditch behind our house. And we saw these raccoons come out. It was noon, and we saw the raccoons come out from their ditch and start running away.
Oh my gosh.
And we were like, And, we left, closed our garage and said goodbye, and that was it. And our house burned down about 20 minutes later.
20 minutes.
Community, our friends, our family. Before I could figure out what was going on, we were at a friend's house, and there was pizza in my hand. And then, you know, within 24 hours, a friend called and said, I have a place for you to stay. You and your family, go live there. Here's the keys. And stay as long as you need. I knew that we had a great community. I knew that there was a bunch of talented people who were fun and who didn't take themselves too seriously. But what happened after the fire came together as a strength and resiliency that I never would have guessed.
That's sweet.
One of the things we love about it is the location. You know, the kids' school is right up the hill. So it's there. We play hockey. The rink is right over there. The rec center is right over there. Grandma lives down the road.
Well, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much for sharing your story. Parma Trattoria and Mozzarella Bar opened in early 2012 and has been serving up authentic Italian food ever since. The central fireplace in the middle of the dining room warms up guests just as much as their sought-after bolognese and limoncello. We're here with Emilio Perno Ruggiero, owner of Parma Trattoria, an authentic Italian restaurant in Superior, Louisville. So I want to know why you decided to start an Italian restaurant here of all places.
Yeah, Louisville has a big Italian community to the years, and we felt just right to start a restaurant here to have my heritage over here as well.
Yeah. Well, thank you for keeping us all well fed during what was really a hard time in this community.
Yeah, I mean, the community has always been good to us, and they always supported us. And I think during the fire, we seen that, receiving a lot of text messages, phone calls. So it's just a great feeling to be here in a community that likes you and loves you.
What was it like during the fire?
Yeah, during the fire it was a very, very scary moment. I'm sure a lot of people that lost their homes, they feel really, really sad. And it was just an unbelievable time. Hopefully soon we'll get our beautiful community back up, Superior and Louisville.
Love it.
Absolutely. Well, this is a beautiful community. Thank you for having us. And thank you for keeping us all well fed with the ultimate comfort food, pasta. We appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
And I always tell people that you're my favorite Italian restaurant.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us today from Parma Trattoria in Louisville, Colorado. I'm Andrew Muller.
And I'm Katie Muller.
We'll see you next time.
Cheers.